What is dance? Dance, the movement of the body in a rhythmic way, usually to music and within a given space, for the purpose of expressing an idea or emotion, releasing energy, or simply taking delight in the movement itself.
Who invented dance and where did dance originally come from? The earliest findings have pinpointed the origins of ancient dances in 9,000 years old India or 5,300 years old Egypt. But the records more common in fusion of dances into a modern culture can be found from ancient Greece, China, and India. The earliest history of human dance is a continuing mystery. From the evidence of illustrated ceramic fragments, some archaeologists have speculated that dance originated some 5,000 to 9,000 years ago in early agricultural cultures located in a swath running from modern Pakistan to the Danube Basin.
Did humans start dancing? Early humans might have danced to attract a mate as far back as 1.5 million years ago. According to Stephen J. Maton, an archaeologist at the University of Reading in the United Kingdom.
Who is the father of dance in the world? Uday Shankar was the first to bring the concept of modern dance to India with his novel approach and works. Today, December 8, is Uday Shankar's birth anniversary. That a man is still remembered in the transient dance world. 40 years after he passed away, September 26, 1977, shows the impact he has made.
Who is the first dancer in the world? Martha Graham created a dance technique that became the first significant alternative to the idiom of classical ballet.
What is the oldest dance in the world? Historians consider the dance form that is today known as belly dance the oldest form. It is originated 6,000 years ago and was practiced by many ancient cultures. Even though the modern belly dance has many negative connotations and is considered to be seductive, it had a totally different purpose of ancient times.
Is dancing natural or learned? Most of the people say that dancing is an innate gift. But it is quite true that inborn natural talent is not just enough to become a good dancer. One has to do regular practice and update their skills.
Ballet. Ballet dance developed during the Italian Renaissance before evolving in France and Russia into a concert dance meant for public performance. This in the form of ballet, in which the dance is choreographed with classical music. Ballet production vary between using elaborate costumes and staging and using minimal costuming and bare staging. Ballet is now a widespread, highly technical form of dance with many subgenres including classic, romantic, neoclassic, and contemporary. With 6 core recognized methods: the Cecchetti method, the Bournonville method, the Wagonaba method, the French School, and the Royal Academy of Dance method, and the Balanchine method. Ballet studied professionally at top dance schools all over the world. Liquid floors have developed a range of specialist ballet dance floors, providing enough traction to prevent injury while still allowing for fluid movements demanded by ballet dancing. Harlequin Cascade is one of our most popular ballet dance floors and can be laid over many of our sprung floors. Harlequin floors also offer professional ballet bars available as either permanented, wall-mounted, floor-mounted, or freestanding bars.
Ballroom. Ballroom dance is a type of partner dance originating at the end of 16th century in France, commonly used as shorthand for any partner dance. Ballroom has today evolved into two main subgenres: standard, smooth, Latin rhythm. Dances within these categories include the waltz, tango, and foxtrot, and paso doble, bolero, and samba. Ballroom is a popular form of competitive dance or dance sports, with competitions being held all over the world, with several subcategories to ballroom dancing. Dancers requires a versatile floor, Harlequin Fiesta, and our specially crafted Harlequin Liberty Ballroom dance floor offer an excellent versatile dance floor for all styles of ballroom dance. Harlequin Liberty Ballroom is used by the BBC's Strictly Come Dancing and professional world ballroom dance champion Christopher Hawkins.
Contemporary, developed during the mid-20th century. Contemporary dance is now one of the most popular and technical forms of dance studied and performed professionally, especially in the US and Europe. Drawing on classical, modern, and jazz dance styles, contemporary dance has evolved to incorporate many characteristics of a broader range of dance forms. Known for its emphasis on strong torso and leg work, contract and release, fall and recovery, and floor work. It is often known for unpredictable and disordered changes in speed and rhythm throughout a performance. Contemporary dancers therefore require a shock-absorbing surface to protect their feet, legs, and ankles from rapid movements and changes in rhythm. Harlequin's innovative triple sandwich Harlequin activity sprung floor can be paired with several of our vinyl dance floors to create the ideal surface for contemporary dance.
Hip-hop. Hip-hop dancing refers to a range of street dances that develop in relation to hip-hop music and culture. Hip-hop dancing dates back to the early 1970s in New York and California, evolving out of funk and the development of breakbeat. Main styles of hip-hop dancing including breaking, locking, and popping, with derivative styles emerging out of this including Memphis juking, carving, jerking, and cramping. These were often popularized and made mainstream after being featured in music videos of the time. Today, hip-hop is performed in outdoor spaces, in dance studios, and competitively. Unlike many competitive dance styles, hip-hop is often improvisational with dance crews challenging each other to dance battles. At Harlequin Floors, we have created Harlequin Freestyle, a specialist dance floors designed specifically to meet the unique demands of hip-hop and other street dance styles.
Jazz. Jazz dancing has its root of 17th century African traditions, brought to the American via the Atlantic slave trade as slaves. Continued dancing traditions in Brazil, the US, and elsewhere on the continent. Known for its improvisational and dramatic body movements, the jazz dancing grew in popularity in early 20th century jazz clubs. Today, jazz dancing built on African American vernacular dance styles. They emerged along with jazz music in the US. Swing, the Lindy Hop, the shimmy, and Charleston are popular kinds of jazz dances. For your jazz dancers, our range of vinyl floors, including Harlequin Studio and Harlequin Allegro, offers ideal surfaces for practice and performance.
Folk dance. Folk dancing is celebrated worldwide with people of different cultures and religions using various forms of folk dance to portray emotions, stories, historical events, or even aspects of daily life. Some well-known types of folk dance include Bharatanatyam, India, Samba, Brazil, Flamenco, Spain, and Hula, Hawaii. Some cultures may even perform multiple variations of folk dance, with countries like South Korea performing individual dances for key events such as victory in war, farming, music, and religion. Folk dances are commonly held at public events where people can participate regardless of whether they are professional or complete beginners. Such dances are also accompanied by traditional music to further enhance the cultural experience. Our range of portable performance floors and dance floors hire services are excellent for folk dances held at all types of public venues and events.
Irish dance. Originating in Ireland, this form of traditional dance has been popular for hundreds of years amongst Irish people and other countries worldwide. Popularized by shows such as Riverdance, Irish dancing is famously known for its fabulous display of footwork and dance formation. Most Irish dancing events are traditionally accompanied by singing and music. During festivals, dances are held to showcase talent and to compete for trophies or medals. While most people may recognize Irish dancing as being a group performance, there are many well-known forms of solo Irish dances, such as the step dance. For Irish dance floors, for your studio or performance space, consider our range of specialist sprung dance floors, coupled with the Harlequin vinyl floors such as Harlequin Standfast to create an excellent quality floor for your Irish dancers.
Swing is a variation of jazz dance which developed between the 1920s to the 1940s as a response to the growing popularity of swing jazz in America. With the evolution of music that occurred during the jazz era, dance also began to change with the likes of swing music encouraging faster, more gorgeous movements. Popular forms of swing dance include the Lindy Charleston, the Jitterbug, Lindy Hop, and the Balboa, many of which are still performed today. Swing dancing would commonly be accompanied by big band musicians, who often played upbeat melodies which were smooth and easy to listen. Swing dancers will feel at home on our range of vinyl dance floors, similar to jazz. Swing dancers can create beautiful performances on Harlequin's range of vinyl floors, such as Harlequin Reversible Pro, with a high-performance, slip-resistant surface to protect your dancers.